Hello friends, this is round 6 of the insert that goes between 4 flower motifs. This is 2 of them shown, and the another 2 motifs, flower motifs, would go on this side, and you can see how they are joined together. And this is the reason that I chose different color on for each piece, because you can see where the single crochet joining very well. So you can see that they are joined right at the corner, and then on the chain 5s you can see where the green is joined onto the light green, right there, right there, right there, right there, and on the corner. So this is what we will be doing on round 6 of the insert, is to join this side onto the 2 flower motif. On the real project, you can see to where you don't even notice where the square insert is. Begin round 6 by making a slip stitch on the next stitch, 1, 2, and chain 2 to begin the round. This counts as 1 double crochet. Then 3 double crochet on the next chain 3 space of the shell, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet on the same space of the shell. To begin round 6 of the insert, slip stitch on the next stitch twice, then chain 2. This counts as a first double crochet, then 3 more double crochet on top of the shell, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet on the same shell, then 1 double crochet on the next triple crochet. So the repeating stitches will begin on the double crochet, first double crochet of the shell. We are counting the chain 2 as a double crochet. So then chain 5 and single crochet on the next chain 5, doing it 4 times. So that's 1, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5. This is the second, chain 5, single crochet on the next chain 5. This is the third, chain 5, double crochet on the next chain 5. This is the fourth. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 triple crochets and double crochet on the next triple crochet. Then 3 double crochet on the space of the shell. Then chain 1, and we will start joining at the corner. On the corner, you chain 1 and single crochet on the corner of the flower, chain 1 and double crochet on the corner of the insert, 3 double crochets on this, chain 3 space of the insert, then 1 double crochet on the next triple crochet of the insert, then chain 2 and join to the chain 5 of the flower insert, flower, then chain 2, then single crochet on the chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2 and single crochet on the chain 5 of the insert. So you see what is happening there. 2 chains 5 are joined together now. So continue, chain 2, single crochet on the next corner of the flower, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, single, okay, we ran out of chain 5, so we do not connect after chain 2 here. Instead, we finish the repeating stitches of round 6 of the insert. So we will skip 2 triple crochet of the insert, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next triple crochet of the insert. Then 3 double crochet on the chain 3 space of the insert, then we will join again at the corner. So chain 1, then single crochet on the joining between the 2 flowers, the single crochet between the 2 flowers, like that. So you see, then we chain 1 and finish the shell on the insert. So 1 double crochet on the same chain 3 space, then not 1 double crochet but 3, so I like 2 more, 2, 3. Then 1 more double crochet on the next triple crochet of the insert. So let's look at what we've done so far. So we see that we have joined this side. We joined the insert and the flower on this side. Now we are going to join this side of the insert. So we chain 2. Let me turn around the work so that I'm not so awkward. Like that. We will be making chain 2 and then join this single crochet on here. So chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, and single crochet on the chain 5 of the insert. We're just repeating what we already done here. So we're repeating these stitches here. So chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the chain 5 of the flower, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the insert, chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 5 of the flower, so we joined all the chain 5 together. So now we're going to finish the repeating stitches of the insert. So we chain 2, 1, 2, and skip 2 triple crochet of the insert and double crochet on the next triple crochet. So then 3 triple crochet on the chain 3 of the insert, and now we will join the corner, the last corner that we are going to join. So chain 1 and single crochet on the corner of the flower, the chain 1, double crochets 3 of them on the chain 3 corner of the insert. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 1 more double crochet on the next triple crochet of the insert. Then we finish the joining. We don't join here because it's not going to work out. So we are just going to continue the work, finishing the insert. So five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2. And that is the end of round 6 of the insert. And after joining the insert to the 2 flower motifs. I thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to get started on my November-December project, which is of the same pattern, but I will make it in coral red, like a Christmas theme, and I'm excited to see it on this pattern. And I hope you will join me. I will try to make it as a crochet along for those of you that want to try this pattern and want to start the pattern with me. I will be posting my progress, and it won't be the same as this tutorial. I will just be doing it on YouTube, and if you all have any question, then you can post questions on the comment. But otherwise, it will not be a tutorial. I'll just be working on the project. And because if you need a pattern, then you can just go to the published videos. So anyway, I hope you all join me, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you very much. And before I forget, I encourage you to please subscribe. It will help me, and I am trying to reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers, and so I will really appreciate your help. Thank you all.